नमस्कार, येवकार तुमकां हब एनकाउंटर कार्यावळीन 8 जाण काँग्रेसचे आमदार भाजपान गेले आनी तातूंत आशिल्ले ते कळंगुटीचे आमदार मायकल लोबो भाजपांतल्यान काँग्रेसीन आयले आनी काँग्रेसींत आयल्या उपरांत तांकां जाणी जाणी विरोध केल्लो तांच्या मदीं अशें एक आमदार आसा, एक आदले आमदार आसा जे कळंगुटेक रिप्रेझेंट केल्ले, ते म्हणजे आग्नेल फेर्नांडीस। सध्या मायकल लोबो परत भाजपान पावला, पूण आग्नेल फेर्नांडिसान तेन्ना काडिल्लीं उतरां तांकां दिसता ती खरी आशिल्लीं काय ना। ताणें जे हालींच मिडियाचेर जे एलिगेशन्स घातले की पयशे घेवन टिकेट दिली ताचे विशयी उलयतले आनी बाकीच्यो गजाली जाणून घेतले। देव बरें करूं सर। पयलीं म्हणजे नांव दोग जाण काँग्रेसीन आसताले, एक जोसेफ सिक्वेरा, मायकल लोबो, दोग जाण बीजेपीन उरले। सो नाव युअर एंट्री इज बॅक इनटू काँग्रेस इज ओपन।
No, anybody is open to go to Congress, but I don't want to go to Congress at this stage. I have said before, with all the crooks that are in Goa Congress, it is not worth being in the Congress. Till you weed out these crooks, till you weed them out, there is nothing left in the Congress.
No, but आमचे आता हेजे प्रमाणे with all those crooks, you were in Congress.
Yes.
You were addressing press conferences against Michael. When Michael was coming to Congress, you were pleading with the same crooks, the crooks which you say are crooks.
In fact, there was a meeting at the International Center in Donapal. At that meeting, the block committee was called. The whole block committee went there. And in the block meeting, we had told Gundu Rao that we have got proof that Girish has taken money from Michael Lobo to join the Congress. That day, there was a big uproar. And Sheikh, he might have also received something. Sheikh Goyan Podlolo Dinga. MK Sheikh. So Goyan Podlolo, when we said that there is proof that Girish has money. This was 6-7 months before the tickets were even declared. We knew that time that these people had taken money. We didn't know that Gundu Rao was also a part of this gang for taking money. So we knew from that time. And before election, I said there is a mining mafia, there is a builders mafia, and there is a drug mafia who are trying to get into the Congress and finish the Congress. There is nothing new.
Finish the Congress, so there was a wave that Congress will come to power, so everyone wanted to be part of Congress.
They wanted to win in Congress. See, on the 11th of January, my statement is there, it came on the Herald, on the 11th of January, that Michael Lobo will win here on Congress because he cannot win on the BJP ticket. He will come here in Congress, takes 5 MLAs and go back. My statement was there. I told everybody, including Chidambaram. But I didn't know that this gang was working with money.
तुमकां तेन्ना कशें कळ्ळें की 5 जाणांक घेवन वतलो किंवा 7 जाणांक घेवन?
तेणें 5 तिकेटी मागलेल्यो आपणाच्यो. 5 तिकेटी मागलेल्यो तेणें. म्हापशेंची, पालदोना, कालांगूट, सालिगांव, शोलीम, ऑल दीस. हे तर वचपाचें आहलेच. हांवें सांगलें 35,000 करोडाचो स्कॅमस्टर आहा, तोय वयतलो म्हणून. डेट आयज बिकॉज दे वर गेटिंग मायकलाक पाडपाक तोय आहलो तेन्ना. आयज पळय तो म्हणटा मायकलाक लागून आपूण हर्ट जालो. आतां मायकला बरोबरच बीजेपीन गेला. So there is nothing like that. हे आपणाच्या आपस्वार्थाक लागून वयता.
कोण हर्ट जाला? वी कुडंट कनेक्ट.
कोण सांगतालो आपूण रिटायर्ड हर्ट बा म्हणटालो पळय तो.
रिटायर्ड दिगंबर कामत म्हणटा.
सो ही इज हियरिंग बिकॉज ऑफ मायकलाक केलो म्हणून आपूण हर्ट जालो. पण आतां मायकला बरोबरच काँग्रेसीन गेला.
ताका CLP केलो म्हणून आपूण
हर्ट जाला म्हणटा. नाव अलॉंग विथ मायकल ओनली तूं गेलाय. मायकला बरोबरच आहा.
No, my first question remains, are you going back to Congress?
No.
Big no. Never.
See, at the moment, like I said, yes, or Asonsor, there is no hope for Congress.
Yes, or Kunte.
Girish, Gundu Rao, and all these people who are there.
Girish is out right now.
No. Girish is only controlling everything.
Amit Patkar is controlling everything.
Oh, fellow, he is complaining to people I know that Girish आपणाक जाय ते कोत्ता म्हणून. Girish फाटल्या संद पयला देवळांनी भोंवतालो. तांकां बुद्ध दिवची म्हणून वचना जावपाक. तूं आयकलो अमित पाटकराक खबर बसून जाल्ली. अमित पाटकर वॉज कंप्लेनिंग टू पीपल दॅट आय नो. आपणाक सांगून आसतना कोत्ता म्हणून. आय चॅलेंज दॅट डे. गिरीशाक वचून सांगून त्या देवळांनी आपणे पयशे घेवंक ना म्हणून तिकेटी वांटपाक.
अजून चॅलेंज
की
यू आर एलिजिंग की गिरीश आनी गुंडूरावान तिकेट घेवपाक पयशे घेतले.
इट्स अ फॅक्ट. सी आयज संकल्पान हें केलां, एलिगेशन केलां की गुंडूराव घेतालो म्हणून. देर इज ऑनर एमंग थीव्स म्हणटा न्हू. संकल्पान गिरीशाचें नांव काडूंक ना. कित्याक गिरीशाचो कलेक्शन एजंट आसलो संकल्प. एवरीबडी इन काँग्रेस नोज दॅट संकल्प वॉज गिरीशूच कलेक्शन एजंट.
म्हणून नांव काडूना म्हणटा.
म्हणून नांव काडूंक ना. म्हणून पयशे घेतले ते जाणा तूं.
No, but all these allegations, when you are saying, they are very serious allegations. Might look good on an interview, but long term it is affecting someone's character. You don't have any proof that they have taken money.
So this type of things don't come with a proof. But the ED, ex-president John has said, he has got every proof where money was taken. He has invited the ED to this. I know for a fact that one office worker from the Congress house. Money was kept in his house in, I think, Taligaon or Ribandar. The poor boy is working in the Congress house. Money was kept in his house. That much I know.
कलेक्ट करून
Collect.
सो हे पार्टीक पैसे घेतलेले का मनशांनी आपल्याक पैसे
पळय,
घेतलेले?
गिरीश सदांच पार्टी एक म्हणूनच घेता. तो कसलें इलेक्शन येयलें, पणजे इलेक्शन येयलें आपूण बसता. नॉर्थ गोवा इलेक्शन येयलें, सावथ गोवा येयलें आपूण बसता. पयशे मोडप ना. कलेक्शन जाता. देर वॉज एजिटेशन फॉर एगेन्स्ट द काजिनोज दॅट टायम. कितें केलें तें? वॉट हॅपन आफ्टर दॅट?
सो नाव वॉट की तांणी पैसे घेवन टिकेटी दिल्यो.
येस, ऑफकोर्स.
मायकलाकूय तशेंच केलें.
मायकला कडले तिकेटीकूय घेतले, LOP करपाकूय घेतले. तो सांगता, संकल्प सांगता तुजो.
संकल्प तूं म्हणटा की संकल्पच कलेक्शन एजंट आशिल्लो.
गिरीश तो, he knows everything. And Sankalp is a good friend of mine, and I feel he was, teka jang jalo to, any position that is to be given should have been either Sankalp or Advocate Kalush. Because Sankalp has been loyal to the party from before. He has done many things in between, which I know. तुमची ZP election एक अनुप जाडलेले.
माविन गुदिन्याच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी.
Who was involved? Was not Girish and Sankalp involved in that?
You mean to say माविन गुदिन्याची जी ZP, माविन गुदिन्य सपोर्टेड अनअपोज्ड आयली, इफ आय एम नॉट लोक अनिता थोरात आयली, ताजे खातीर संकल्प आनी गिरीशान पैसे
There was
घातले.
a deal. There was this talk in the Congress House about it. How does it happen otherwise?
थंय पैसे घाल्ले म्हणटा. सो नाव इशू इज दॅट सी अगेन आय एम कमिंग बॅक टू द सेम पॉयंट. खाल्ले म्हणटा कोणा कडेन प्रूफ ना. सो हाऊ डू समवन बिलीव की खाल्ले?
कसले एका प्रूफ? आता गुंडूराव सांगता तांकां 30 कोटी दिले म्हणून. वेर इज द प्रूफ? आय एम शुअर मनी हॅज चेंज हँड्स. बट दिस टायप ऑफ थिंग्स डोंट कम विथ द प्रूफ.
बट फ्रॉम वेर दीस दीस थिंग्स कम अप की पैसे खाल्ले म्हणून? समवेर समथिंग मस्ट हॅव हॅपन्ड.
इट इज सर्कमस्टेन्शियल एविडन्स म्हणटा पळय ते. मायकल इतलो तुमी BJPन आहा. देरेमदूच 1 म्हयनो आदी तुमी काँग्रेसीन घेता तेका. तेजी बायल एक घेता. मागीर तेका लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन करता. सो विदाउट 1 म्हयनो आदी काँग्रेस जॉइन जाता तेका लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन.
ही डजंट डिजर्व टू बी लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन.
हाव? इवन नाव आतां पळय गेम चल्ल्या पळय तिगूच जाण उरल्या. आतां CLP लिडराक हे करता. अकॉर्डिंग टू मी द ओनली पर्सन केपेबल इज देर कालूश. बट दे वील नॉट मेकिंग. कालूसाचो पयसो सुटपाचो ना. कालूस पयसो दिवपाचो ना.
सो तुजें म्हणणें कितें की अजुनूय काँग्रेसीन बुद्ध शिकूना.
ना ना ना.
नॉट लर्न
ना. हेच चोर आसून शिंकपाचें ना.
हे चोर आसा शिकता. बट तुमी पाटकाराक चोर म्हणनात, ते मातशे स्टार घालचे पडले.
ना, पाटकाराचें कितें जालां? पाटकार ऑल्सो, आय वॉज इन काँग्रेस फॉर सच अ लॉंग टायम. आय हॅव नेवर सीन पाटकार इन द काँग्रेस हाऊस एनीवे. ही क्लेम्स टू बी अ काँग्रेसमॅन. ही मे बी अ काँग्रेसमॅन. बट अकॉर्डिंग टू संकल्प तेणेनूय पयशे दिल्या.
हाऊ डू यू रिएक्ट की ताकाच प्रेसिडेंट केलो पाटकाराक when he was not?
It's wrong. I have never seen पाटकार in the Congress house. इतली आमी एज्युटेशनाक गेली, हे गेले, केन्ना पळोवंकूच नासलो. तो म्हणटा आपणाचो बापूय आसलो, कोणपणी आसलो. बट दॅट इज नॉट अ क्रायटेरिया.
सो पाटकाराक प्रेसिडेंट केलो ते रॉंग, पूण पाटकार बरो मनीस.
येस, ही इज. आय डोंट फायंड एनीथिंग रॉंग विथ पाटकार.
यू डोंट फायंड एनीथिंग रॉंग. सो आतां परत बॅक टू दीस कलंगूट पॉलिटिक्स. Joseph Sequeira again is in BJP. Michael Lobo is in BJP. So are you finding there's lot of space, anti-Joseph, anti-Michael space vacuum which is created?
See, there is we have noticed काँग्रेस कितें करता, तुका दफरायता 4-5 वर्सांक, तूं काम कर. मागीर कोण पयशे दिता पळय ताका तिकेट दितली. सो वाय शूड वी फॉल इन दॅट?
अजुनूय 2027 म्हणटा
तेन्ना जातलें.
तशेंच जातलें म्हणटा.
पळय, सी, काँग्रेस हॅज गॉट दॅट हॅबीट ऑफ चिटींग ना. आतां कितें केलें? चिदंबरम, इफ यू सी हिज इंटरव्यू, he had told everybody, now we have got a moral responsibility because they have sworn in front of the gods, and we got a legal responsibility. I mean, affidavit aha. He is a legal mind. He is telling the people, when he knows there is no meaning in that affidavit. तो जाणा affidavit कांयच अर्थ ना म्हणून. तरी त्याने गोंयच्या लोकांक सांगलेले, तुम्ही भिया नाका, आमचे कोण वयचे ना, कित्याक आमचे कडेन लिगल affidavit आहा.
चिदंबरमान फटयले
लोकांक, शुअर. आनी आयज तो एपोलॉजायज करचे म्हणून ही सॅल्युटिंग द 3 people who are remaining there. ते तिका जाणांक घेवंक ना, कित्याक तेंचे कडेन आनी पयशे नासले आसले इकते घेवपाक.
तुजें म्हणणें TV वचपाक रेडी आशिल्ले?
मे बी आय एम जस्ट सेइंग 8 जाण वचप म्हणजे 11 जाण आसले, 8 जाण वचप म्हणजे आनी कितें उरलां? आमी आयकलें आनीक 2 जाण वचपाचे आसले म्हणून.
एल्टन म्हणटा, आमी इंटरव्यू कोट करता, तो म्हणटा आपल्याक ऑफर आयिल्ले, आपणे नाका म्हटलें म्हणून.
कोण उरल्या पळय ते नाका म्हणटलेच न्हू. आतां
अजुनूय चान्स आसा की तिगा भितले कोण वतले म्हणून?
हांव नको, आय कॅनॉट से दॅट. बट विथ BJP, द वे दे पुट प्रेशर, द वे दे पर्चेसिंग पॉवर, यू कॅन नेवर से.
So now you are saying right up to Chidambaram, everyone is footing.
There's a photo, there is a proof, no, it's not something I'm making up. Did Chidambaram say that we have got a legal document? When he knew that there was no value for that document, why did he tell the people of Goa, you don't have to worry, आमचे document आहा म्हणून? तेणे पळय मायकलाची एंट्री एक दीस आडायली when we complained that because the name did not come from the block. दुसरे दिसा गेले, what does it mean? Why did he stop for one day? Why did he take him the next day?
So Chidambaram also took money?
I don't know. But why? My question is why? Why did he stop that day? Why did he take him the next day?
Might be, all these things might be a judgmental mistake. Because Dinesh Gundurao says कि आमका दिसिल्ले कि Michael Lobo is a good leader. He will lead the party. So that's why we had taken him.
अरे हांव तांकां सांगताना आयडियोलॉजी पळया म्हणून. I told them that he is going to go. He does not have Congress ideology. He म्हणतात no, we have to win also. I mean, yeah, they will win and go that side. They were taking money. It was nothing but money.
How many tickets were sold?
Sankalp says 12. That is sure. I'm sure everybody has paid money. Fal Desai, I was heard telling somebody, Girisha आपणाच्या तोंडार हाड म्हणून, आपण सांगता म्हणून. Why you think they have got no qualms about leaving the party? They paid for the tickets.
पैसे दिवन गेले. सो ते आता पैसे रिकवर करपाक थंय गेले.
करपाक गेले. ते रिकवर केले जाल्यार नको आतां तेच गेले. आतां हेंचे बोबाव जाता, हे 30 कोटी दिला म्हणटा तितूंतले आपणाक कांय मेळोंक ना म्हणून गुंडूरावांनी गिरीश बोवाड मारतात.
आपल्या मेळना.
तितून मेळोंक ना म्हणून. सो सी संकल्प गेलो, आय वॉज सरप्रायज. संकल्प आनी गिरीश गो बायलां कशी. एवरीबडी नोज इन काँग्रेस. द नायट बिफोर संकल्प लेफ्ट, that Mahila Congress president's son was roaming with him. That is the same clique. Every Congress party चलयता ते. So they knew they could have stopped. I feel unless they sent them and आमकांय कितें हाडून दी म्हणून सांगला. ते दिवंक ना म्हणून बोबावतो.
You were in Congress and you represented this constituency on Congress ticket. तुवें पैसे दिले तेन्ना ticket घेवपाक?
No, that time Luisin Falero was there. Luisin Falero didn't ask me for anything. I never gave him anything.
So Luisin Falero is
but the second time, I don't know. With me, he has been clean. The second time, people asked me for money. The second time, people did ask me for from Delhi.
मागे?
आनी कोणाक कडल्यान गोंयच्याच कोणाक फुडें घालून. I didn't give. I was already a sitting MLA. So that money culture is there for giving tickets.
How much money was asked?
No, I can't quote these figures now.
So we are hearing a lot of crores. So was it crores or lakhs?
It's always in crores.
Why someone is asking money, especially from Kalangut constituency?
No,
is
from
it
everywhere. Why Komurjo they've taken money? They've taken in Sholim, they've taken in Saligao, everywhere they've taken money. Saligao was the example. I told them that candidate is a RSS man. Still they gave him money. So ideology has no meaning in the Congress culture now.
But Michael has hold over Saligao, Michael has hold over Kalangut, Siolim. He has proved that he has got hold.
Yes,
even up to Mapsa he has got hold.
See, he has been given a free hand to do whatever he wants. Drugs flourishing here, dance bars flourishing here. The chief minister then, the chief minister now, they never did anything. So he has...
Sir, again, I want to ask this question to you. Before Michael, there were no drugs.
Not like the way it is going on. What is happening now, dance bars, you ask the people in Kalangut. There used to be, I used to fight with Digambar also. In fact, the Digambar had called the DIG that time, DGP, everybody, we had a meeting. Even they were not ready to act upon it. So many times I had this in the CLP.
So quantum of drugs happening in Kalangut area was less when you were MLA.
See, it was not blatant. It was not blatant. When there is tourism, there is going to be this type of things. I've complained against the police officers during my time when I was there. I've complained about Rapus and other PSIs who were there. I've complained openly against my own party. I had a fight with Ravi Naik in the assembly every time when I was with the Congress, when we were in power. In fact, I asked one of the officers, why is prostitution happening here? One of the police officers, I said, see, you all come to us. Only thing I tell you is stop drugs and stop this prostitution. Why you all don't do that? He says, our bosses from Delhi, police bosses from Delhi, when they come for entertainment, they tell us to get the girls from here, get the drugs from here. This is a police officer has told me.
You are making such huge allegations.
I'm telling you, I've said this in the assembly also. I've said this in the assembly.
All the sentences you own the responsibility.
Yes, I've said it in the assembly. But it's on the record. It's in the records of the assembly.
The beauty of one beauty of Kalangut MLAs I've seen, including you, is that they openly speak about drugs and against drugs in the assembly. But when it comes to their own constituency, there are drugs happening.
There are happening. It is happening.
So you mean to say Michaelaच्या टायमार ड्रग्स वाढले? Michael is responsible for drugs.
Michael is responsible for not taking action. One of the biggest drug raid was conducted in Kalangud when Michael was out of station from here. Whenever he is there, there's never been a drug raid. So there is, I allege that there might have been protection from Michael.
Michael is giving protection. You were with Joseph Sikpera. We have seen 3 of you addressing press conferences. Joseph, you, and I think Anthony Menezes.
Yes.
आता किती असं तुमचे इक्वेशन?
I've got a very good personal relationship with them. Politically, Joseph says he's a BJP Karyakarta.
Joseph is better than Michael.
In what way?
In all the ways.
No, Joseph has been my friend longer than Michael. Michael has not been my friend. Michael is just a person I know in politics. Joseph has been my friend on and off.
On and off.
Joseph is everybody's friend.
Friend
on and
with
off.
convenience.
No, he's a good person. Michael is a good person, but I share more rapport with Joseph because we have worked together.
No, all 3 of you are supposed to come together during election and contest against or fight against Michael.
We will have
together.
fought. If one of us was given the ticket, we would have fought. But because
Joseph got BJP ticket.
No, because the BJP ticket was offered to me also. The BJP ticket was offered to Antony also. In fact, Joseph, when I said no, they went to Antony. I took one of the person to Antony, whether Antony would like to. Antony said no. The same person along with us went to Joseph, and Joseph also said no first in the beginning. And then I don't know why he agreed.
Why you didn't accept BJP ticket?
No, I don't like the ideology. I will never join BJP. Whatever happens, I'll
Which
never.
party you will join? TMC, you are slightly looking inclined towards TMC earlier.
No, TMC was only to make sure that Michael does not win. Because I knew Michael was going to BJP. We were telling the people, see, you vote for Michael is like voting for BJP. Now people have realized that.
You did lot of political, jugglery in between. You left Congress, then again joined Congress within a day. No. You went to Delhi, you met Rahul Gandhi.
No, I never left Congress. I never left Congress that time. I left once and for all. I know that time I went to meet Rahul Gandhi.
What was the reason?
No, I was called to assess the situation in Goa and I told Rahul Gandhi everything.
That was the reason it seems that you are supposed to leave Congress. So they were trying to convince you not to leave.
No, I would not have left Congress. It was a feeling that because Luisin Falero was going that side, they thought I would leave. I would not leave Congress.
You were amongst first few leaders whom TMC was trying to poach.
No, they approached me. They did approach me, but I would not have joined. I didn't join even at the last minute. I didn't join anybody. I left the Congress because I cannot be in a party there where Michael is there when I know he has destroyed the constituency. He has destroyed the ecology of the constituency. He has destroyed the social fabric of the constituency.
Are you feeling outdated or irrelevant in your own constituency right now?
Look, I don't dabble much in politics now. Panchayat elections took place here. My brother and my sister-in-law both won in my area. I didn't interfere much in other this. Kalangud, I didn't interfere. So
after representing this constituency for more than 10 years, if I'm not wrong, 10 times. 10 years. 2 times.
2 times, yeah.
You have left the constituency to itself or people to itself?
No, I was trying for the ticket the next time after I lost. I was shunted out to Saligaon. Just to please me, they put me in Saligaon. So I was doing my, people come to me for help. If I do whatever help I can give.
Are you still relevant in Kalangud?
That is for the people to say. I cannot say.
What are you finding? You are
no, it's not Agnelo in Kalangud. It is not Agnelo Joseph. There is a sizable amount of Congress sympathizers. So it is a party. Even now, wherever Michael goes, wherever Michael comes, the Congress sympathizers will be there. Although they'll keep on cursing for the Congress that they're going away from the Congress, Congress sympathizers will be there.
There is a base of Congress.
There is a base of
Congress. Is it also true that if Michael had to contest on BJP ticket in Kalangud this time in 2022, he would not have won?
He will have lost. Every supporter of his told him, you don't sit on BJP, you will not win. Because the sentiment was anti-government. So that is why he spent all his money to buy the tickets.
So he went by public sentiment.
Yes, yes.
And now,
for his survival.
Now, but we don't see any wave against him that he has joined BJP. People are not even reacting.
Most of the people, not only in Kalangud constituency, they've taken money from everybody. Most of the people. From TMC.
Tu just voter allegation karta.
Yeah, I'm saying it openly. So I've got most of the people I said. And some people who didn't even want money, people have forced the money there. So now people don't have the
लोकांनी पैसे घेतले म्हणून गट्स ना विचारपाचे.
जाल्यार बोबाव जावपाचो न्हू. I'm saying many people, because when I was roaming also, TMC people were also giving money, BJP was also giving money, everybody was giving. The culture has changed. When I first contested, nobody took a single rupee from me. None of my voters took. Even the second time, I didn't give money to anybody.
Even during Panchayat, money was given.
Now it is happening. Now it is happening, I know. But during my 2 terms, the people from Kalangot constituency didn't ask me for anything. I didn't give anybody. Maybe for some temples and this. But people, we didn't give money. It's only when Michael came, the first time Michael came, he was distributing the 2,000 rupee notes. And that money culture started. Otherwise, people from Kalangot never expected money from their MLAs.
So, is this the end for your political career, or you are also looking at contesting next time?
No. At the moment, I'm enjoying my life. I'm doing my business.
You are also enjoying your life when you are MLA.
Yeah, that was past. Because see, we don't feel that happiness going in this. Because the only option for me is Congress. I cannot be with BJP. I cannot think of some other parties. And with what is happening in Congress now, I cannot go to Congress. So I better to stay, take a back seat.
So, sannyas घेतलो, सोपला.
At the moment.
At the moment कसं sannyas घेतलो?
Politicians never take a permanent sannyas. Politics is in the blood, you never take a permanent sannyas.
You never know, you might contest.
Yeah.
ओके देव बरें करूं.
Thank you.
तू वेळ दिला म्हणून. हे आशिल्ले अग्नेल फेर्नांडीस, आदले आमदार कलंगूटचे. ते म्हणटा की हांगा पयशे दिवन टिकेटी दिल्यो आनी ताका लागून ही गत जाल्ली आसा. आनी दुसरे वटेन हांगा लोकूय बोवाळ करिना कलंगूटचे, कारण तांणी पयशे दिवन पयशे घेवन वोट घातले आनी ताका लागून लोकूय बोवाळ करना. आनी तांणी प्रत्येक सेंटेन्स म्हटल्यार ते म्हणटा की आपूण ताची जबाबदारी घेवनूच उलयता, कारण ह्यो गजाली सर्कमस्टेन्शियली प्रूव जातात आनी तातूंतल्यानूच ह्यो गजाली मुखार आयिल्ल्यो आसा. तुमी पळयतात हब एनकावंटर ऑन युअर फेवरेट वेबसायट www.goanews.com. चॅनल पार्टनर्स आहा RDXGOA. प्रोडक्शन पार्टनर्स आहा प्रसाद देशपांडे, goabalin.com. कीप वॉचिंग.